Okay, welcome to Musto Invest in Cambodia, and in today's video, since you requested a video about rentals here in Phnom Penh City, I do read all your comments. So let me show you guys at the penthouse residence here in Phnom Penh what options we have for 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and so on. This is one apartment on 7th floor. Let's go and have a look. So this is a 1 bedroom apartment that is available for rent here in Phnom Penh. This condo is great because it's located next to Aeon Mall and also next to Bassac Lane, the popular area in Phnom Penh if you want entertainment. So we have a bathroom right here, and we have space here. So 46 square meter. If we talk about net area, the gross area is 67 square meters. So it's a quite big apartment, and on 7th floor, so it's a bit cheaper because the higher the floor, so the higher the price. So you can see this is the bedroom. You have a big balcony here as well. You can see we have some views. Bassac Lane is very near here. So I think this is good apartment. Let's go to the next apartment. Okay, let me show you the 2-bedroom apartment. You can see this is also available for sale. So it's about 41 square meter in net area and about 60 plus in the gross area. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. We have the bedroom here. You can see the bedroom. We have a nice view of the city. So we have a very beautiful view of the Sofitel Hotel, Aeon Mall. So it's quite central, very central location. It's also for sale for about $200,000. And we have a bathroom here. We have a space for a living room. And this is the 2nd bedroom right here. So for the rent, we are talking about $1,000 per month. Okay, let me show you this 3-bedroom apartment, 64 square meter in net area and 94 square meter in gross area. So this is a 3-bedroom apartment. In Phnom Penh, a 3-bedroom apartment can cost between $1,000 to $2,000 per month for a condo. So we can see here the first bedroom right here, and the living room is quite nice, it's quite big. So the management fee is actually included in the rental price, which is good. You have a sauna, you have jacuzzi, you have a swimming pool, you have gym. So here we have a TV and nice bedroom right here. You can see there's a view of the city. Since this is the city center of the city of Phnom Penh, obviously the price is a bit higher, but look at the view. We have a very nice view of the skyline of Phnom Penh. We are very near Aeon Mall 1, as well as NagaWorld, Sofitel Hotel, and also BKK 1. So this is a very central location. Bassac Lane, if you want entertainment, is very near here. So let me show you guys the 3rd bedroom. The 3rd bedroom is right here, and the good thing is that there's even a sky bar, cellar sky bar. It's the only revolving sky bar here in Phnom Penh City. But this is the balcony, so there is a space. You can see nice view of the city of Phnom Penh. If we talk about rental prices in Phnom Penh City, a studio can cost from $300 to $800. A 1-bedroom costs from $500 to $1,500, and a 3-bedroom from $1,000 to $2,000. Okay, then we have the studio that you can see here. The net area is about 27 square meter, and the gross area is about 40 square meter. You can see nice studio apartment. This project was actually constructed from 2016. It was completed in 2020 during COVID, and it's very central, very near NagaWorld, very near Aeon Mall. And you can see, even for a studio, we have a very beautiful view, and surprisingly we also do have a balcony. So I know a lot of people watching from home, they do like balcony, so at least we have a balcony, we have a washing machine, so everything is included, all the furniture is included in the price. If you want to live in luxury here in Phnom Penh City, in this apartment complex, you can even see most of the condos here in Phnom Penh, they do have a gym. So it's actually quite convenient if you want to rent a condo here in Phnom Penh. Most apartment complexes do have a gym and also swimming pool as well. Okay, lastly, let's see the penthouse, which is about 400 square meter in net area and 587 square meter in gross area. So it's huge. We're talking about 18,000 US dollars per month. Yes, very near the revolving sky bar. So we are on the 36th floor, and the sky bar, the revolving sky bar, cellar sky bar, is actually on the 43rd floor. So you can see, if you want to live in luxury, if you want to enjoy your life, you can enjoy being here on the 36th floor. You can see the view of the Independence Monument. Look how close are we to the Independence Monument, to BKK1 on our left. You can see BKK1. If you look straight, that's the Independence Monument. You can see the riverside on our right. You can see NagaWorld from here to our right. You can see NagaWorld. We have NagaWorld 2, we have NagaWorld 1, we have the Chinatown, and most importantly, we have Aeon Mall. You can see we're just across Aeon Mall. So this is the city center of Phnom Penh. If you want a penthouse, we are talking about 18,000 US dollars per month. Yes, not everyone can afford paying that, but those people that can afford, they can enjoy the luxury of the big TV, everything included. Let me show you guys one of the balconies. If you want to sit here, it's a pretty good deal because we're in the city center of Phnom Penh. And obviously, if you're interested, you can contact us. You can check out the official websites and our Facebook meta page and Instagram page. If you like to rent anything here in Phnom Penh City, Siem Reap, Sihanouk, we can help you if you need rentals here in Phnom Penh City.